Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's coffee video, I would be making 3 special espresso drinks and we would be using the espresso from the Breville machine. And these 3 espresso drinks are first, espresso with chocolate bar, we have affogato, and we would be also making espresso con panna. Now, though they are special drinks, but actually they are pretty straightforward and very easy to make. We only need 2 ingredients for each drink, and one of the ingredients would be the espresso. So let's begin with the espresso with chocolate bar. So I think it's pretty obvious what's the second ingredient aside from espresso, and that would be a chocolate bar. So I'll be using this Lind Swiss premium chocolate that was given by a friend. It's already halfway done, guys. So half na lang yung natira, and I'll be using this and mix it with espresso. This chocolate is already delicious on its own, but I believe mixing it with espresso would really be a perfect combination. So I already got 4 pieces of the chocolate, so it makes 1 bar, and I'll place it like this one sa cup, and I'll be pulling out an espresso, and the espresso would directly drop here in the chocolate bar. Let's try that one. Okay, so this is now the espresso with the chocolate bar. It's already melting inside and it's really so delicious. So once you taste this one, sa bibig mo, nagme-melt yung and nag-mimix yung bitterness ng coffee tapos yung sweetness ng chocolate. Bittersweet, masarap, promise. And I think I have a new favorite because I am not really into chocolates. Hindi ako masyadong mahilig sa chocolates. And kasi matamis, so hindi ako pala tamis. And yeah, I think this would be a perfect way of eating chocolates. For me, I'll be mixing it with espresso. So espresso with chocolate bar. Now this time, let's make affogato. And we would be, aside from espresso, I already have here a prepared espresso. This is 2.5 ounce or double shot. And then I have here a vanilla ice cream. A second ingredient for the affogato aside from the espresso would be ice cream. So again, very straightforward, no? Just put your ice cream. How do I open? Tear off. So tear off daw. Like na palang ito bubuksan, guys. Okay, dali. Hello, okay. There you go. Oh. So, ice cream, vanilla ice cream, medyo melt na siya. So, put it in your cup. So, this is my cup. It's melting na. Anyway, so that's 3 cups of vanilla ice cream, and then just pour your espresso like that. Oops. Then you have affogato. Kaya lang medyo melted yung ice cream. Anyways, this serves a purpose. It's also one of my favorites. Sometimes I intend to buy talaga vanilla ice cream and mix it with coffee. So, not necessarily, if wala kayong espresso machine sa bahay, you can actually use brewed coffee, the strongest one, and then mix it with vanilla ice cream, and that would be a good drink already. So, affogato, vanilla ice cream, and espresso. Okay, so this time we'll be making espresso con panna. And that would be just whipped cream and espresso. So panna means whipped cream in Italian, I believe, as far as I could remember. Sana tama ako. And I'll be using this Alaska Crema whipped cream that you can just buy in the grocery. So around 200 plus lang naman. Let's try. Guys. Okay. So espresso, and then we top it with whipped cream. There you go. Espresso con panna. It's so beautiful. I think this is the most beautiful among all that I've made today. But basically the same with affogato, no? Yung affogato lang naman is ice cream, but this one would be whipped cream. So yeah, this is how you make espresso con panna. So those were the 3 special drinks that we discussed today. Espresso with chocolate bar, affogato or espresso with vanilla ice cream, then espresso con panna or espresso with whipped cream. And yeah, very, very straightforward and very simple special espresso drinks. Let me know in the comments if you like, and in case that you would be making also your own espresso drinks after this video, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I am at FayeLorraineMA. If you want to learn more about coffee and also attend our hands-on coffee training here in Cebu, the Mezzanine Cafe, I have a link below in the description box where you can join. And if you want to join me in the Small Coffee Business Academy and learn more about coffee and how you can start a small coffee business, there's also a link below that you could join. Right? I'll see you in my next videos.